Hi everyone, we are continuing our Realtor Mindset series with daily habits. I had a great conversation with one of our referral partners last week, and he was really opening up and sharing with me how the habits that he's putting into place now in a market that's not as busy as what we're used to are what is really setting him up for success in the next busy market. Let me explain. I think the previous markets, shaking the tree is what we were doing. There were leads coming from everywhere. There were deals coming from everywhere. And we got into habits where we were very reactive. Now in this market, it requires us to be proactive. So what are we doing on a daily basis that is going to get us in the present to where we need to be, as well as the future to be able to scale when the market shifts and becomes busier again? I know for our company, it's a lot of phone calls. Calling people, checking in, mining our database, doing all of those things that we know we need to do for Sales 101. It's making sure that we are being diligent. It's making sure that we're looking at our process. Where can we continue to fix things? So I challenge you today to look at your business. How can you be more proactive? What are the daily habits that you can put in place that are going to foster that proactivity and also foster the business that you want, not just for today, but for the future?